Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Tuesday, September 24th. So, I traded like complete garbage today, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do a recap and show you my losses. So, I traded KMX at the open here for an opening range breakdown. It sold off on decent volume here. It pulled back right when it rejected VWAP, made a new 1 minute low. I took it short, and I put my stop here. So yeah, obviously I got stopped out, and in hindsight, I put my stop way too tight. I probably should have put it on the 5 minute chart right here at the top of this 5 minute candle to give it some room. And this thing would have worked beautifully, but it is what it is. So that was one loser there. And then I noticed it was holding this 200 moving average here, and it was getting bought up. It hit this hammer when I got stopped out. And look at this volume here. So I was thinking like, you know what, this could possibly be a long here and could possibly short squeeze and, over VWAP here. Unfortunately, I was watching this 1 minute chart, and I could have seen on the 5 minute, if I had been looking at it, that there's this 50 moving average, there's the 20 and the 9. So you have all these moving averages here as potential resistance. And then also on the 15, you have all these moving averages, swooping 20, and VWAP. So I probably shouldn't have taken this trade, but nonetheless, I did take this trade. So I took it long here, hoping that I would get some follow through, with this good volume. I set my stop below this hammer candle here, and I got stopped out. So, looking at it, this was definitely a short. My analysis the first time was right. But hey, so I got chopped up on this one. I had two losers. So the next trade I took was, I believe it was on Netflix. So on Netflix here, I was looking to get in this as a potential short. So what I saw here is, it was pulling back. It had this good candle right here, and right when it broke that 5 minute low, I took it short. So as you can see here, there was this level here that I was watching. So right when it pulled back, rejected the 9. I took it short with my stop um, right here at the top of this candle. So I gave this one a little bit more room. As it started to sell off here, as you can see on the 5, I was hoping to get to this, I think it was like a 256 level here that I had on my chart. Um, it didn't quite get there, and it pulled back, and then I got stopped out. So now I'm three losers in. That's such an ugly marker. Uh, three losers in here. So I took one more trade, and that trade was on Facebook. At this point, this is basically where I call this a day because I was definitely not in my game. So I'll show you what I saw here. So, this stock was continuing to make higher lows here on this 5 minute chart. I saw this beautiful bullish candle with good volume. It pulled back on the 5 minute chart. Notice the volume is very light here. Um, so on the 1 minute, right when it cracked VWAP and it reclaimed it, I took it long here with my stop right below the VWAP. As it was dancing around here at VWAP, I actually had a hotkey mistake, and I accidentally added a little bit more shares there. Nothing too much that would hurt me. And then right when it broke VWAP, I just got all out. So as you can see, there's four losers here, and yeah, tough trading for me today, and I'm walking away here with negative 4R on the day. Not a good feeling, but you know what? I got to be smart, and I have to make the right decision by walking away, because the last thing I want to do is continue to trade and blow up my account. And in the past, I would continue to trade, and I would be at like negative 10R. So yeah, these are my trades for the day, and yeah, so I'm only limited to doing two recaps per week now on Bearable Trader. So what I'm going to do is I'm creating my own YouTube channel where I'm going to be doing recaps every single day. I'm still going to be posting on Bearable Trader, so my YouTube is going to be Short Squeeze. So go ahead and check that out. I'll have daily recaps there, and I'll still be posting here at Bearable Traders. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I will get to you as soon as I can. Other than that, I hope everyone had a way better trading day than me, and I will see you guys tomorrow.